Hello, thank you for clicking on my video and welcome to my channel Relax with Neek. Today I will be showing you how I make my match cloches using items purchased from the Dollar Tree. I have here a plastic cloche, a glass candle holder, and a glass candle stick. First I'm going to start by removing the bottom of the cloche, removing the sticker. I'm then going to add glue to the candlestick holder. After I do that, I will add the candle holder on top, making sure that it's centered. Once I get it to where it's perfectly centered, I'll add the match sticks, which are 180. Put them in the holder, shake them up. I like them to lay a certain way. Then I add the striker to the back of the cloche, which you use to strike your match on. These were purchased from Amazon, not Dollar Tree. It's just absolutely beautiful. I've made several different candlestick holders. They're a great gift to pair with a candle. Very stylish. In the mornings before work, I light my candle using the striker. And this sits on my living room coffee table. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. Thanks for watching.